May napanood ako dito sa TikTok. Ang sabi niya, we fall in love with a version of ourselves that comes alive in their presence. So, kapag tayo daw ay nagmamahal, na in love, it's actually the feeling of us na yun yung nagugustuhan natin. Yung nagiging epekto sa atin nung tao na kasama natin. It's like that person is bringing out a different version of you na nagugustuhan mo. Example, 'di ba? Kapag may nagugustuhan kang tao tapos this person appreciates you, 'di ba it feels good na kinikilig ka, this person is making you feel good about yourself, nagkakaroon ka ng bagong disposition sa buhay. It's the feeling that you feel because of this person. It's not just about that person. Kaya nga, minsan yung iba gina-judge na, oh, bakit mo siya nagustuhan? Hindi naman siya pogi, hindi naman siya maganda, hindi naman siya matalino, or kung ano-ano pa. But actually, it's your soul, it's your feeling, it's a deeper level of connection na somehow natitrigger or tinatap in ng person na to within you. Because you like that feeling. Gusto mo yung masaya ka, kinikilig ka, and that what makes you feel in love with that person. But actually, you are in love with yourself. In love ka dun sa feeling na yun. Kasi once that person na hindi na maibigay sa'yo, yung feeling na yun na nararamdaman mo every time na kasama mo siya, doon na nagsisimula na mag-fade yung feeling na yun, or doon na nagsisimula na hindi mo na nagugustuhan yung taong yun.